Good morning student, class 7, chapter number 8, comparing quantities, exercise 8.1. In the previous video, we start chapter number 8 and discuss about ratio, and we have to complete question number 1 and 2 of exercise 8.1. Now we start question number 2. In the question number 2, Mrs. Chatterjee rupees 2,40,000 डिवाइड करना चाहती हैं between her daughters in the ratio 3:5, and we have to find out amount got by each daughter, कि हर डॉटर ने कितनी अमाउंट मिली ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. फर्स्टली वी डिस्कस अबाउट रेशियो, कि व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस रेशियो, कि वो अपनी डॉटर में अमाउंट 3 और 5 की रेशियो से डिवाइड करना चाहती है. 3:5 इट्स मीन जो उसकी फर्स्ट डॉटर है उसे 3 रुपीज एंड सेकेंड डॉटर को 5 रुपीज, इट्स मीन टोटल अमाउंट 8 रुपीज. अगर टोटल अमाउंट 8 रुपए है तो वो फर्स्ट डॉटर को 3 रुपए और सेकेंड डॉटर को 5 रुपीज. बट द टोटल अमाउंट इज 2,40,000. देन हाउ कैन वी ऑपरेट द क्वेश्चन? सपोज यू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इन बोथ. इट इज ₹6 and it is ₹10. Then total amount is ₹16. It's mean अगर हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं then we get total amount ₹16. Then we have to find out a number जिससे हम 3 की मल्टीप्लाई करें और उसी की मल्टीप्लाई हम 5 से करेंगे. Then we get total amount 2,40,000. So what is the value? अगर मैं ये वैल्यू पता लग जाए जिससे कि मैं इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई करूं और आफ्टर एडिशन मेरे पास ये वैल्यू आ जाए, देन द आंसर इज पॉसिबल. सो टू फाइंड आउट दिस मिसिंग वैल्यू वी यूज अलजेब्रा, एंड इन द अलजेब्रा वी सपोज द अननोन नंबर x. So we suppose we multiply by x in the both ratios, both the term. So we let amount got by first daughter. जो फर्स्ट डॉटर है उसने किसे कितनी अमाउंट मिलेगी? ₹3 मल्टीप्लाई x, इट्स मीन ₹3x. सो अमाउंट गोट बाई सेकेंड डॉटर. जो सेकेंड डॉटर है उसे कितनी अमाउंट मिलेगी? ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि हमने उस अननोन नंबर को x सपोज किया है और x से मल्टीप्लाई अगर मैं 3 से कर रहा हूं तो सेम मुझे x की मल्टीप्लाई 5 से करनी है. इट्स मीन ₹5 मल्टीप्लाई x, इट्स मीन ₹5x. एंड सम ऑफ दीज टू वैल्यूज इज इक्वल टू ₹2,40,000 बिकॉज टोटल अमाउंट इज 2,40,000. सो ₹3x प्लस ₹5x is equal to ₹2,40,000. Now for the calculation we remove the unit 3x and 5x. It's mean 8x is equal to 2,40,000, and we transpose 8 from LHS to RHS. So 2,40,000 upon 8. It's mean the value is 30,000. सो जो अननोन वैल्यू है वो कितनी हमारे पास? 30,000. सो नाउ फाइनली फाइंड आउट अमाउंट गॉट बाय फर्स्ट डॉटर. ₹3 मल्टीप्लाई 30,000, इट्स मीन ₹90,000. एंड सेकेंड डॉटर ₹5 मल्टीप्लाई 30,000, इट्स मीन ₹15, it's mean 1,50,000. and after addition we get ₹2,40,000. so it's the final answer. I sure question number 3 is clear, just note down. Okay student, now we discuss question number 5. Question number 4, do yourself. In the question number 4 it is given that there are a school has total strength 2,02,450 and there are 980 boys, and we have to find out ratio between girls and boys. So आपके पास बॉयज की काउंटिंग तो कंसीडर है, गर्ल्स की काउंटिंग कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? total number of student minus number of boys, we can find out number of girls, and number of girls ratio number of boys, and simplify, find out answer. So very easy, you can do yourself. Now question number 5. In the question number 5, distance covered by Monu in 4 hours 12 kilometer, distance covered by Tony in 5 hours 12.5 kilometer, and we have to find out ratio between their speeds. Speed it is the distance covered by in 1 unit time period, यानी कि जब हम 1 unit time period के लिए distance cover करते हैं, it is called speed. And what is the formula of speed? Yes, distance upon time. So firstly find out speed of Monu. Distance upon time. Distance upon time. It's mean 12 upon 4. Answer is 3 kilometer per hour. Now we have to find out speed of Tony. Formula is same, distance upon speed. 12.5 upon 5. It's mean 2.5 kilometer per hour. Now required ratio. Required ratio. Because in the question discussion of Monu is first, and after this Tony, so we write the speed of the Monu first and the ratio speed of the Tony. Now for simplify, 3 upon 2.5, remove the sign of decimal, multiply by 10 in numerator. So 30 upon 25. 30 and 25 both are divisible by 5. So the required ratio is 6:5. So I sure question number 5 is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 6. In the question number 6, it is given that the length of a rectangular playground is 110 meter and the breadth of the rectangular playground is 90 meter. And in the question we have to simplify 3 parts. In the first part we have to find out ratio between length perimeter, second part perimeter and breadth, and the third part length and breadth. So firstly we find out perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the length of the boundary. It is a rectangle. Rectangle has 2 dimensions, length and breadth. Obviously opposite sides are equal, so it is also length and it is also breadth. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter mean boundary की लंबाई. So we can notice that in a boundary there are length 2 times and the breadth also 2 times. So its perimeter is 2 multiply L plus 2 multiply breadth. It means 2 length plus breadth. So it is the formula of perimeter. So using the formula we can find out perimeter of this rectangular playground. Now we find out perimeter of rectangular playground. Perimeter of rectangular playground. 2 in a bracket length plus breadth. 110 plus 90. It means 2 multiply 200. The value is 400 meter. First part, required ratio. In the first part we have to find out ratio between length to perimeter. Length to perimeter, it means 110 ratio 400. For simplify we note down in a fraction. It is a proper fraction because numerator less than denominator, and the answer is 11 upon 40 and 11 ratio 40. Similarly in the second part we have to find out ratio between perimeter to breadth. Perimeter ratio breadth, put and simplify. And in the third part ratio between length and breadth. Length and breadth put in the form of ratio and simplify. It's very easy. So remaining parts try yourself. Note down it. Okay student, now we discuss question number 9. Question number 7. Question number 7 is the same question number 3. In the question number 7 it is given that the ratio of sales of sweaters on a particular day यानी कि यहाँ पर 2 दिन की सेलिंग की रेशो दे रखी है 3:4 एंड इफ 560 स्वेटर्स वर सोल्ड इन टोटल ऑन दोस डेज, यानी कि उसने दोनों की मिलाकर टोटल सेलिंग दे रखी है 560, तो आपको दोनों दिनों की निकालनी है सेपरेट सेपरेट, बिल्कुल क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 जहां पर हमें टोटल अमाउंट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करनी थी दो डॉटर के बीच में। सो वही आप रेशियो लेट करेंगे x, मतलब एक x आपको अननोन नंबर लेट करना है एंड 3x 4x, their sum is 560 and find out value of x, and after this we have to find out selling of each day. So please try yourself. Question number 8 is not in syllabus, it is cut. And question number 9, in the question number 9 the collections of tickets for 3 different shows, यानी कि यहाँ पर 3 shows की आपको कलेक्शन दे रखी है, उनकी में रेशो दे रखी है 2:4:5. it is the collection we suppose first show, ratio second show, ratio third show, and it is also given that collection of second show is rupees 15,000. So we have to find out total collection and collection of remaining 2 shows. हमें इन दोनों shows की collection ही find out करनी है, total collection also find out. We again use variable x. So we suppose that let collection of first show, अगर हम ये सिलेक्ट कर लें कि पहले शो की जो कलेक्शन है वो कितनी है ₹2x, सो कलेक्शन ऑफ सेकंड शो ऑब्वियसली ₹4x, एंड कलेक्शन ऑफ थर्ड शो ऑब्वियसली ₹5x. बट इट इज गिवन दैट सेकंड शो की कलेक्शन है ₹15,000, so ₹4x is equal to ₹15,000. Removing the unit, 4x equal to 15,000. So x equal to 15,000 upon 4. Divide by 4. 4 3 जा 12. 3 यानी कि 30. 4 7 जा 28. 2 4 5 जा 20. It's mean 3,750. It is the value of x. Now putting the value of x, we can find out collection of second, first and third show. So firstly find out collection of first show, which is ₹2x. So ₹2 multiply 3,750, and after multiply by 2, 0 0 5 and 6. It's mean ₹6,500. It is the collection of ₹7,500 is the collection of first show. Clear? Now we have to find out collection of second show. Sorry, third show. Third show collection ₹5x. It's mean ₹5 multiply 3,750 multiply by 5, 0 5 2. 5 7 जा 35. 35 plus 2 37. 3 carry 5 to 15. 15 and 3 18. It's mean ₹18,750. It is the collection of third show. Now we have to find out total collection. Total collection, it's mean ₹7,500 plus ₹15,000 plus ₹18,750. Find out their addition. 7,500, 15,000, 18,750. 0 5 2 8 16 16 5 21, यानी कि ₹41,250. तो आई श्योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 also clear. Just note down. In the next video we continue exercise 8.1. Thank you very much.